Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Infura API for faster RPC access. Start by visiting the Infura website. Create an account if you don't have one. Log in to your Infura account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create New Project button. Enter a name for your project in the input field. Select the desired network, such as Ethereum or IPFS. After setting up the project, click on Create. You will be directed to your project's settings page. Here, you will find your project ID and project secret. Copy the project ID, which serves as your API key. Open your preferred code editor or IDE. In your project directory, install the required libraries. For JavaScript, use npm with the command npm install Axios for HTTP requests. For Python, you can use pip install requests. Next, create a new file in your project for your code. Open the new file and start by importing the necessary library. For JavaScript, it would look like this: const Axios equals require Axios. For Python, you would use import requests. Now, initialize your Infura API endpoint. Format the URL by inserting your project ID into the URL template. The endpoint will look like this: https://mainnet.infura.io/v3/your_project_id. Replace your _project_id with the ID you copied earlier. Create a function to make the RPC call. For JavaScript, use an asynchronous function to fetch data. Include your API endpoint and a specified method in the request body. For example, to fetch the latest Ethereum block, you could use eth_getBlockBnumber. For Python, use the requests library to send a post request. Include the same method in the JSON body. Make sure to handle any potential errors in your API calls. Run your code to test the setup. You should see the response from Infura in your console. Congratulations, you have successfully installed and set up the Infura API for faster RPC access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.